So Snapchat has just released My AI for everybody on Snapchat. So before it was only a Snapchat Plus feature, but now it looks like it's available to everybody, which is beautiful and awesome. So in order to actually get My AI on Snapchat, you have to remember that it's going to be rolled out on an ongoing basis. I should be able to have it, but if I swipe to the side, you can see I still do not have My AI on Snapchat. And the reason for that is because it just hasn't came up yet. So the way to access it, for the most part, is for one, open up your Snapchat application, and two, swipe to the side, and you should be able to see a little My AI Snapchat, just like how you see Team Snapchat here. There should be a little one called My AI appear just as well, and you'll be able to chat with them. So I wasn't able to go ahead and get it on my personal, phone, but if I actually go ahead and see these images that I found, it should look something like this. So you can see this person, this user, had My AI just like this. They had all their friends and everything else here too. But that is basically that. And you can pin it to the top if you want to. And you can talk to AI just like that. So what you would do is you'd swipe to the chats, you tap on that chat, and from there you'd be able to go ahead and chat with them exactly whatever you'd want to do. So you don't have to enable anything. It should come natively. Now this feature is coming out in an ongoing basis. So if it's not available for your phone just yet, just know within the next couple of hours or days you should be able to get it, which is pretty cool. So if you still don't have it or if it's missing or whatever, make sure you're updated on Snapchat. So make your way over to your App Store or Google Play Store, click on the search bar, and all you want to do is go and type in Snapchat as you normally would, and go ahead and just open up the Snapchat app and click Update, and all you want to do is update your Snapchat application. For a lot of people, that's probably all you're going to have to do, and that's probably all you're going to have to do in this specific situation. So in terms of that pretty much covers it up there. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that'll mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video.